Good morning and welcome to Tommy Bites Homestead. How are y'all doing this morning? If you are new or returning, thank you for being here. So as you know, we moved from South Carolina to North Carolina. And so what I did was I moved my sweet potatoes with me instead of doing the harvest there in South Carolina. Now these have been in this container for probably over 138 to 40 something days. So they should be fine. You see they're dying back. So it's time to now harvest off of these sweet potatoes. Before I left South Carolina, you saw when I planted the potatoes that were sprouting in my sister's drawer. And so 2 weeks later, they looked like that. So now it's been 3 weeks and they're still doing great. You don't have to really water sweet potatoes and potatoes as often as you do other things. So I noticed I've been going without watering, and just let God's water get on them. And then every now and then I will give them some water. So now let's get to harvesting. So this is not a long drawn out video. So let's get busy. If I wanted to, I could plant this back again. So this is what I got from my harvest. Take that out. I think I did okay. I didn't do as great as I wanted to do, but it's some good, decent sized ones in here, and I'm pretty sure after I let these cure in a cool, dark place, then I can get, a pie out of this. So we got some eats right here. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you harvested or planted sweet potatoes. And what I'm probably gonna do is amend this soil, add some more soil to it. And these sweet potatoes that you see here, I'm gonna plant them again back into that container right there, and we'll see what we get in another 138 to 100 and maybe 60 days. Maybe I'll let them go a little bit longer this time. Whew, y'all, that was a lot of work, but we got some food. So y'all, see y'all in the next video. Until next time, I love you, but God truly loves you more. He created only one you, so be the best you that you can be. And when you are, you can go out and spread God's love with distance. Peace, love, and light. Thank you so much for being here on Tommy Bites Homestead.